once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Singer Stylish 7528. What's the problem with the machine? Well, I don't know, but I'm gonna look into it. But when I turn it on, yep, E4 comes in, beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna show you now. That means that there's a problem somewhere in the machine, but only look into the stepping zigzag motor. That's it. Don't touch anything else. Just go straight into the stepping zigzag motor right here in the back of the machine. Look into it. Don't touch anything else. E4 means the stepping zigzag motor is damaged. It's not good. It could be off center. It could be that the actually black gear on the back is not perfectly matching with the white gear on the front. The motor has a black gear on the actually shaft of the motor. When the machine turns on, the shaft move and the gear move. So when that one moves, it has to be to the right of the stop, and the white one on the front, which is the one that does the moving of the needle, has a white mark on it. It has to be perfectly centered with the actually straight center with the black gear on the back that is attached to the motor. Repeat again so you understand how that should work. The motor has a shaft. That shaft has a gear. It's a black gear. When you take that gear and push it all the way to the right until it stops, that doesn't go anymore, the actually white gear that is attached to the needle bar, that moves the needle bar, has a white mark on it. It has to be perfectly matched with the gear on the back, right in the center. Let me show you so you understand, you have a better idea on how that works. All right, let me jump into the machine. I will show you. And we have to, I'm 99% that that's the problem. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to make a close-up video so you can see what I'm talking about. Keep that in mind. Like I said, E4, stepping motor, nothing else. All right, let's jump into it. This is the main gear here. This one here actually is the one that does the zigzag for the machine, as you can see. The black one on the top, which is the one that attaches to the motor. And then the one on the bottom is the one that actually moves the needle. So the motor on the back rotates. It made this one to rotate, and that one make the white one rotate, and then that's how the needle does zigzag. Now this point of the gear here, you see, has to be perfectly centered with the gear. When the machine came in, at the stop position, remember, push it all the way to the right, stop. Now this white gear that you're looking at, that pointy that you see here, when the machine came in, at the stop position, this pin was like that, and that's why it was given E4. The machine was not stopping in the right position. So all I did, I just made sure I push everything to the right. Once it hits the stop, not going anymore, then I took that little lock off, put this white gear, that this white center mark here is straight with the center of this black gear on the back. And that's it. Just pull this lock out, take that, pull it off the teeth from the one on the back, make this exactly center with the gear on the back, and that's it. Now if I take my machine and turn it on, everything activated correctly. There's not beep, beep, E4 anymore. Show it again. Move this all the way to the right. When I turn it on now, you're gonna see that this part here is gonna move, but when this is all the way to the right, this has to be right on the center. Turn it on. See now, when the machine was at the right stop, this gear was at this position, you see here, and that's not good. When this pushed all the way to the right, there, this gear has to be in the center. There you go. Machine now, it's perfectly working. I'm going now to turn on the machine. No more E4. Bobbin wind it on, stop it, activate it. No more E4. So that black gear in the back has to be with the machine off, push all the way to the right once again, and the mark on the white gear has to be straight up with the actually flat side, center side of the black gear, and that's it. That's your problem. Once you do that, everything is good. Turn on the machine, everything is good. No more E4. So here's the machine, stylish, 7528. Everything works fine. Let me put on the zigzag stitch on it. Zigzag number 3. Make the stitches a little longer. See, everything works fine. Stitches are good. Everything is great. Everything's working 100%. I tried on one more stitch. Let me try the number 7, which is the stepping. This will be 3 step. Good. Everything works fine. Okay, good. All right. So the machine now it's been perfectly finished. Everything is good now. Everything is good. Zigzag's working, everything is working fine. Just leave it like that, make a little sample, go back. Okay, perfect. The machine is just being completed. Okay, so this is the Singer Stylish 7528, perfectly working. I show you the stitches, everything is good. Like I said before, just keep an eye and be careful when you do the adjustments. You know, it does it shows that it has a little mark on the black gear, but don't worry about that. Center of the gear, the white one has to be perfectly centered with the center of the actually black gear. That's it. If you do that, you'll be fine. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor and you. Once again, thank you very, very much. Being a subscribe, keep your friend, share, let your friend know. If anybody has an issue, if you have a problem with a machine, you want me to make your video, I'll gladly make it. Just send me your questions, any notes, anything you want. I'll do a video specifically showing exactly the issue that you have. The Sewing Doctor and you. Bye-bye.